No, that's not good angle. Not at all.
Look at what we're up against here.
Fucking Rustin, take this cap off. Rust out in there.
You know what? We probably can only do four at a time.
Yeah.
Still be angled out.
Stand up here. Let's watch up here.
Oh, I only got one. Ouch!
Good shit. It's gonna go. It's not so good.
No? Lean over it.
It's gotta angle out more. It's like exploded about eye level.
Alright, somebody get me new fireworks.
Bill, what?
His dad's fun.
I don't know.
What does this do?
When Doug lit it, it appeared to spin.
Oh, that's all it is, a spin.
That's what it looked like it did.
Does it go bang?
Yeah, it goes bang.
Oh, I see.
Doesn't it?
It's
Doesn't
two
it?
fuse.
Doesn't it look like it goes bang? It's a dual fuse. Doesn't it? No single line. How did you put it right in front of us like that? The one side don't light. It's coming right at us.